Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to Mitsubishi Outlander full guide. Start by turning on the car and the infotainment system, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable. Select the vehicle name from your phone's Bluetooth menu, confirm the PIN when prompted, and grant necessary permissions for contacts and media. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try again while keeping them within a few feet. Begin by accessing the infotainment system's Bluetooth settings and choosing the option to add or pair a new device. On your phone, open Bluetooth, choose the vehicle name when it appears, and verify that the PIN displayed matches on both devices. Accept prompts to allow contact and audio access so calls and media work through the car. If prompted, set the connection as a priority device to reconnect automatically each time. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow and keep helpful content coming. On another note, a quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long drives and fits in most cup holders, making road trips safer and more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours, then stick around for the remaining tips. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, first restart both your phone and the Outlander infotainment system to clear temporary issues. Unpair and remove any previously connected devices from the car to avoid slot limits and conflicts, then retry pairing with only your phone active. Check for and install software updates on both the phone and the vehicle system, as updates often resolve compatibility problems. If problems persist, consult the owner manual or contact support for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.